Here is my Zoom H2 Essential. I've got the front microphone connected and also the line input connected. And the source of the line input is the Rode Wireless Micro new receiver, which I've just released for free for those who've bought the microphones. And this enables me to connect it via a 3.5mm connector into the side of the audio recorder. Most people would be connecting it to a camera. I've made the most in terms of what I can attach it to. I'm going to improve on this in due course. Now when you turn the Zoom H2 Essential on and off, the Rode Wireless Micro receiver also goes off or on. There it goes off, the light's gone out. And I'm turning it back on and the light is coming back on again shortly. Here it comes. So that means you've got little chance of forgetting to turn it off or on.
I'm building a structure in the dark. I'm making a paper mache ark. I'm loading the animals 2 by 2, but I won't make room for you, lady blue. I won't make room for you. I'm carving a cavern in my soul. I'm digging an introspective hole. I'm running a razor blade through, but I won't open